welcome back to my channel for my CVS deals video, and thank you all for joining me, and I wish everyone a great week. This is the first week for this ad cycle and there are so many deals to pick up. All the deals I have in this video are all digital deals except the cover girl. We also received some very good digital coupons, a 5 off 3 Crest or Oral-B coupon, two $2 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrush, and for the Neutrogena Acne Care, we have a $4 digital coupon and a $3.50 digital coupon. That means you can do one this week and use the other one for next week. If you're adding the L'Oreal Elvive to your Spend 30, the higher priced items are on sale for $4.99. Lastly, don't forget to check out the Google Doc. I will link in the description box in case you need to print it out or to take a screenshot to make it a little bit easier while you're shopping. I am sorry for the long intro. Let's go find these deals. First deal I have is on 1 liter scope mouthwash. It's on sale for $4.99, and when you buy one, you get $3 back. Pick up one, use the $1 digital coupon we received, and pay $3.99 and get $3 back, making it just 99 cents. The next deal is on 0.17 ounce or 2-pack Nivea Lip Care. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $3 back. Pick up 2 of the 0.17 ounce at 2 for $6. Pay $6 and get $3 back, making both just $3, $1.50 each. If you receive the $2 email lotion CRT, it will attach to these two items, and that will end up making these two just $1 or 50 cents each. This next deal is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on malt assorted fruit gummies. They're on sale for $1.99. Pick up 2. Both will total $3.98. We have two 50 cents off 2 digital coupon that will double dip and drop it down to $2.98. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back for buying 2. That will end up making these two just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $5 back on any CoverGirl cosmetics, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2 CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each. And these two will total $11.58. In today's savings set, use 2 of the $3 CoverGirl eye makeup coupon that will drop it down to $5.58 and you get $5 back, making both just 58 cents or 29 cents each. The next deal is spend 15 get $5 back on any Maybelline cosmetics, limit of 1 per week, and I have 2 options in case you need this deal. The first option I have is to pick up 2 of the Maybelline blush priced at $7.79 each. These two will total $15.58. Use the $3 mystery offer we received today and also the 3 of 15 Maybelline CRT. These 2 CRTs will drop you down to $9.58 and you get $5 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, limit of 1 for Maybelline face product. That will end up making these two just $2.58 or $1.29 each. The second way you can do this deal is by picking up the Maybelline Master Contour Kit priced at $14.99. Use the $3 mystery offer we received today and 3 of 15 Maybelline CRT. And both CRTs will drop it down to $8.99 and you get $5 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, which will end up making this kit just $1.99. Next deal is spend 20 get $10 back on any Real Technique cosmetics tool, limit of 1 per week. You can pick up any of the items priced at $19.99. That will make it very simple. And all these 3 items I'm showing are priced at $19.99. Pick up one, pay the $19.99 and get $10 back, making it just $9.99. But if you have percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, then use it. I have a 30% off your entire purchase CRT, and I have a 20% off one full price item CRT. Using both CRT, the price will drop down to $11.19 and you get $10 back, making it just $1.19. The next deal I have is on 23.7 ounces Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and it's on the deal of buy 1 get $5 extra care box back. Pick up one. It's priced at $15.49. We have a $2 off digital coupon, and I also have a 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT. That will drop it down to $11.49 and you get $5 back, making it just $6.49. If you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can add any percentage of CRT you have. I have a 30% off CRT and also a 20% off CRT. Using these 2% of CRT and the $2 digital coupon and the 2 off 10 Garnier facial care CRT, that will drop it down to $6.43 and I'll get $5 back, making it just $1.43. But always remember that when you use percentage of CRT, if you want to get the maximum amount off, make sure you pay out of pocket. Next deal is spend 10 get $4 back on any Neutrogena acne care. Pick up the Neutrogena Stubborn Acne Ultra Thin Blemish Patch priced at $11.79. We received a $4 off digital coupon. You can also add a 3 off 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT if you have it. The coupon and the CRT will drop it down to $4.79 and you get $4 back, making it just 79 cents. If you don't want to pick up the Stubborn Acne Patch, you can pick up the On The Spot Acne Treatment priced at $10.99. Use the $4 off digital coupon and the 3 off 10 Neutrogena facial care CRT. That will drop it down to $3.99 and you get $4 back, making it free. The next deal is buy 2 get $2 back on any Dove liquid hand wash, limit of 1 per week. Pick up 2. They are priced at $5.79 each, and these 2 will total $11.58. Use the $3.99 off 2 digital coupon and it will drop it down to $7.59 and you get $2 back, making both just $5.59 or $2.80 each. If you have today's savings set, there is a BOGO coupon that will take off $4.49 and that will double dip with the $3.99 we have in our app, dropping it down to $3.10 and you get $2 back, making both just $1.10 or 55 cents each. The next deal is on Iris Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash. They're on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up the Iris Spring Body Wash priced at $7.79. Pick up one Soft Soap Body Wash priced at $6.59. Since they're on sale for buy one get one 40% off, the one that will be 40% off will be the cheaper priced. That will be the Soft Soap priced at $6.59. But with the 40% off, it will drop the price down to $3.95. These 2 will total $11.74. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Iris Spring, and we also have a $2 digital coupon for the Soft Soap. Both coupons will take off $4, dropping it down to $7.74, and you get $3 back, making both just $4.74 or $2.37 each. The next deal is on Palmolive dish soap. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back. Pick up 2. They're priced at $4.99 and the second one will be $2.50. These 2 will total $7.49. We only have $1.50 off digital coupon for one. The second one, we don't have any coupon, but you can check their website. I tried to print out one, but as soon as I put my email and my zip code, it shows that the limit has been reached. And I know it's been a long time I printed out coupon from Palmolive website, but if you need this deal, I think you should try it. You never know, it might work out for you, and you print out the 75 cents coupon. And if you do, adjust your math. Using the $1.50 digital coupon, it will drop it down to $5.99 and you get $2 back, making it just $3.99 or $2 each. Ajax Dish Liquid Soap is also included in this deal, and if you don't mind picking it up, you can pick up one at $4.19 and also pick up one of the Palmolive at $4.99. Since this deal is buy one get one half off, the cheaper priced one will be the half off, and that will be the Ajax, and the half off price will be $2.10. These 2 will total $7.09. Using the $1.50 off Palmolive digital coupon, that will drop it down to $5.59 and you get $2 back, making both just $3.59 or $1.80 each. The next deal will be on Suave Hair Care, and they're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 extra care box back. Pick up 2 Suave Essential Shampoo and Conditioner, priced at $3.19 each. The second one with the 50% off will be $1.60. The 2 will total $4.79. We have a dollar off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $3.79 and you get $2 back, making both just $1.79 or 90 cents each. If you don't want to pick up the hair care deal, you can pick up two of the Suave deodorants. They're on sale for buy one get one half off and it's priced at $3.49. That means with the half off, the second one will be $1.75. The two will total $5.24. Use the $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.24 and you get $2 back, making both just $2.79 or $1.12 each. The next deal is on Aussie Hair Care and they're on the deal of buy two get $2 back, limit of 1 per week. Pick up one shampoo and one conditioner priced at $5.19 each. The two will total $10.38. We received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.38 and you get $2 back, and that will make them just $5.38 or $2.69 each. Next deal is on Degree Dry Spray. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $4 extra care box back. Pick up two of the men's dry spray. Might still only have one, but I'm just showing the deal. It's priced at $7.79. That means with the 50% off, the second one will be $3.90. And both dry sprays will total $11.69. We received a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.69 and you get $4 back. Check your fetch reward because mine is giving back 1,500 points for buying two. And after the fetch rebate, these two will end up costing just $2.19 or $1.10 each. The next item is not giving back any extra care box and that will be on Aveeno lotion. You can pick whichever one you like except the 2.5 ounces because when I scanned it on the app, it's not attaching to the $3 CRT we received today. But if you want to pick up the 12 ounces, it's priced at $11.99. Use the $3 CRT we received today and the $3 digital coupon. Both will drop it down to $5.99. And if you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use any percentage of CRT you have to even make it cheaper. The next deal I have here will be the spend 30 get $10 back, and I have 5 options. Hopefully you can find one that works for you, and this deal is a limit of 1. For the first option, pick up the Crest toothpaste on sale for $3.99. and pick up the Oreo family size on sale for $3.99. And the next item to pick up will be the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99. And the last item to complete this deal will be the 9 mega roll cottonelle bar tissue on sale for $9.99. These 4 products will total $30.96. I received a $1.50 off cookie CRT in my email that will apply to the Oreo cookies. And for the Crest toothpaste, we have a $2 digital coupon. For the Tide, we have a $3 digital coupon. And also for the Cottonelle, we have a $1 digital coupon. The 3 coupons and the CRT will take off $7.50, dropping it down to $23.46, and you get $10 back, making all 4 items just $13.46. or $3.37 each. The second option I have for the spend 30 is to pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $6.99 and pick up the 9 mega roll cottonelle bar tissue on sale for $9.99. And the last item for this deal is to pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99. These 3 will total $29.97, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. We have a $1 off digital coupon for the $6.99 Tide and a $3 digital coupon for the Big Tide and a $1 digital coupon for the Cottonelle. The 3 coupons will drop it down to $24.97 and you get $10 back, making all 3 just $14.97 or $4.99 each. The third option I have is to pick up the Gillette Mark III on sale for $7.99, 2 L'Oreal Elvive Hair Care on sale for $4.99 each. If you don't want to pick up the shampoo and conditioner, the higher priced ones are also on sale for $4.99, so you might try it. I scanned them and they're attaching to the 4 off 2 digital coupon. The next item for this deal will be the Chic disposable razor priced at $9.99. The last item to complete this deal will be the Oreo cookies on sale for $3.99. All these products will total $31.95. Use a $3 off digital coupon for the Gillette and a 4 off 2 for the L'Oreal Elvive, $1.50 off cookie CRT, and a $3 off digital coupon for the Chic disposable razor. The 3 coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $20.45 and you get $10 back, making all 5 items just $10.45 or $2.61 each. The next option I have is to pick up Pantene shampoo or conditioner, and be careful with this deal because the ones that are on sale for 2 for $10 are within the 10.4 ounces to 12.6 ounces. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, or you can mix or match however way you like, and they're on sale for 2 for $10. Pick up 1 Chic disposable razor priced at $9.99 and 2 L'Oreal Elvive hair care on sale for $4.99 each. These 5 products will total $29.97. Use a 2 off 2 digital coupon for the Pantene and a $3 digital coupon for the Chic disposable razor and a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the L'Oreal Elvive. The 3 coupons will drop it down to $20.97 and you get $10 back, making all 5 products just $10.97 or $2.19 each. And the last option I have is to pick up 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive on sale for $4.99 each, a Tide detergent on sale for $12.99, Crest toothpaste on sale for $3.99, and Oreo cookie on sale for $3.99. These 5 items will total $30.95. Use the $1.50 off cookie CRT for the Oreo cookie, $2 digital coupon for the Crest toothpaste, $3 digital coupon for the Tide, and 4 off 2 L'Oreal Elvive digital coupon. The CRT and the 3 coupons will drop it down to $20.45 and you get $10 back, making all 5 items just $10.45 or $2.09 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.